Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Zora app. Zora is a social and creative app where people can share posts, photos, and other digital content, which also being able to earn coins through its unique system. It mixes the idea of social media with Web3 features, meaning users can buy, sell, and collect posts just like a digital assets. Many creators use Zora to monetize their work and engage with communities in a new way. To get started, you first click on Login. You'll see options like Coinbase Wallet, Phantom, and Rainbow. But if you don't want to connect a wallet right away, you can simply click on Continue with email. After that, enter your email and click on Submit. Zora will send you a code to your Gmail. Go to your inbox, copy the code and paste it back into the app. Once verified, you need to set up your profile. Enter your username, display name, and a short bio. Then upload a profile picture from your computer and click on Create Account. You can also connect and verify your social accounts like TikTok, Instagram, Forecaster, and Twitter, which helps boost trust and visibility. After linking them, click on Finish. Now, you'll land on the homepage where you can explore posts. If you see a post with an amount shown below it, you can click on it. You'll have the option to sell by entering the amount or choose from quick selections like 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. Similarly, you can also buy posts by clicking the buy button below them. On the left side, there's a buy icon that lets you browse many posts available for purchase. The main appeal of Zora is that it gives creators and regular users a chance to earn coins from their posts while making social media more interactive. The pros are that it combines creativity with earning potential, supports digital ownership, and allows easy buying and selling. The cons are that it's still new, so prices can be unpredictable and it may feel confusing for users who are not familiar with crypto or Web3 tools. Overall, Zora is more than just hype. It's a growing platform that offers real earning opportunities, but it works best for users who are comfortable with digital wallets and the idea of owning or trading posts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.